Structure of the atmosphere. The layer of colorless and odorless gases surrounding the Earth is called the atmosphere. The atmosphere is thicker and heavier near the surface of the Earth and becomes less dense with an increase in height above sea level. Composition of the atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere is a mixture of many gases. It has about 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and the rest 1% includes argon, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and other gases. Layers of the atmosphere. The Earth's atmosphere has 5 distinct layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Troposphere. This is the lowest layer of the atmosphere and also the densest. Its thickness varies from 8 kilometers over the poles to 18 kilometers over the equator. All weather phenomena such as clouds, rain, and storms occur in the troposphere. The boundary between the troposphere and the stratosphere is the tropopause. Stratosphere. This layer extends up to 50 kilometers above the surface of the Earth. There are no clouds or weather changes in the stratosphere. This is an almost undisturbed layer, and that is why airplanes are flown in this layer. This layer has the band of ozone gas, which protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. The boundary between the stratosphere and the mesosphere is the stratopause. Mesosphere. This layer extends up to 80 kilometers above the surface of the Earth. The mesosphere has the lowest temperature in the atmosphere. The boundary between this layer and the next one is the mesopause. Ionosphere. The ionosphere extends from 80 kilometers to 500 kilometers above the surface of the Earth. This layer contains electrically charged particles called ions, which help in transmitting communication signals like radio waves. Exosphere. This is the outermost layer of the atmosphere. The air becomes thin here and merges into outer space. The temperature increases rapidly in this layer due to higher solar radiation. Importance of the atmosphere. The atmosphere is made of various gases that form a protective layer around the Earth, allowing life to exist on the planet. The atmosphere protects the Earth from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. The air currents and winds in the atmosphere regulate temperatures on the Earth. Water vapor in the atmosphere influences the weather and climate of a place. The atmosphere protects us, keeps us warm, and allows life on the Earth. We too should protect the atmosphere. We should not pollute it and adopt a more sustainable way of life.